Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I will be your tourist promoter. If you wanna travel and know beautiful places in Colombia, I recommend you San Andres Island SAI. SAI is a coral island located in the Caribbean Sea in the southern group of Iceland. Is the largest of Colombia. This beautiful place stands out the beautiful beaches, its wonderful sea of seven colors. The wet zone is hot and overcast, warm and partly cloudy, and its temperature typically varies from 70 Fahrenheit to 86 Fahrenheit. There is a number of great diving and snorkeling spots or a sunbathe. Even you can to take a trip to the island of El Acuario or Johnny Cay. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. At first day, we will arrive at Mount. We will go to hotel is really in from airport. So we will walk. After that, we will have delicious typical Iceland lunch. At 3 p.m., we are going to Johnny Cay Natural Regional Park. We are going to take a boat from the May Beach in San Andres out the Tutis Island of Guay, sand beaches and coconut groves. At second day, we will know Iceland and we will do scuba diving. We will enjoy colorful coral reefs, rock formations and tons of fish. At last day, we will visit Cayo Bolivar. It's a day trip. It's about 25 kilometers away. This tour includes trips and lunch. In this trip, the means of transport that we're going to use are golf carts, bike, and boat. Do not worry about food in this beautiful place. You will get the freshest seafood from red snappers and salt conch to lobster and crab. Also, if you prefer, you can find fried fish, coconut fries, smashed and fried plantains, and also ceviche. Of course, there are a wide variety of food. The last but not least, the price. These tour packages cost 1,300,000 COP, includes flights, hotel and activities. I invite you to enjoy this wonderful tourist destination with us. Bye bye.